go fishing, y'all. Go ahead and break out some poles. Welcome to Addition to the Wild, saltwater and freshwater outdoor channel. Please stay tuned.
Let's see what we got today. Dang. Let's see. Y'all don't know nothing about this right here, y'all. Got no water in the bucket, but that's okay. Set it up like this. Slide it on down. Boom. Throw it on out. Give me some water. Alright. I'm gonna get some more water in there. Whoa. Yo. I really don't want him. He can go back. We're gonna get some more, all right? That's what we're doing, y'all. Windows down right here. Oh, these windows are fast. I gotta break my neck. That's one of them right there. Maybe it can work. Put my net on top of it. Go ahead and set these stuff up, y'all. This right here called bottle rig. Sometimes the bottle rig is boat minnows or a Carolina rig. Got them both like that. It gotta look like it's a frenzy going on out there. Alright, y'all. Let's get this up. Dang, boy. Yeah, man. Stay fish, man. There we go. There you go, man. Introduce yourself, man, on there.
Terrence, man, I done caught me a good old spade fish out here at the state park.
Yeah, we got two of them, y'all. We got two of them, so we're doing good, y'all. Good job, man.
Thanks, sir.
Oh. I'm going crazy today. right there, y'all. Small flounder right there, but it's out of season. But hey, show it to the scene. All right, we'll put them back. What up, y'all? What up, y'all? Like today, I'm getting sunk today. You know what I'm saying? One thing we caught today was that flounder. That was it. I don't know what it is. It's like a current underneath. Oh shit, dropped my hook. It's like a current. Oh shoot. A current underneath, pulling hard. Even though I got 3 ounce and 4 ounce pyramid on, still pulling it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what happens though. Probably give another 30 minutes. Ain't catching nothing. Pack it up. Go another day when it's better. All right. Hey, make sure y'all watch my other videos I got. Had one a couple of days ago. You know what I'm saying? Catching black drum, ladyfish, and all that stuff though. So check it out. All right, stay tuned.